This is an AI avatar built from a single profile photo, speaking in a cloned version of your own voice. You don't need a camera, a microphone setup, or a video crew. You record yourself once, and from that point on, you can put your face and your voice on every listing video you create without ever sitting in front of a camera again. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up inside VideoTour.AI right now. Most agents know they should have video on their listings, but actually filming yourself is a barrier. You need decent lighting, a good angle, no background noise, and enough confidence to do it take after take. What the avatar and voice cloning features do is remove all of that. You do the setup once inside My Branding, and after that, your personal brand shows up in every video automatically. We're going to start with the voice, then set up the avatar, and then apply both to a listing. Within the VideoTour.AI dashboard, you want to start by clicking on My Branding. At the top, you'll see 4 options: logo animation, AI avatar, AI music, and AI voices. Let's start with creating your AI voice. Under the AI voices tab, you'll see 2 options: clone AI voice and My AI voice. By default, it's set to clone AI voice, which is what we want. Click start recording and a script will appear on screen for you to read. Once you've read it, the recording will show up, and if you're not happy with it, you can always record again. If it sounds good, click use this recording, then give your voice a name, select a language, and click clone the voice. It'll start loading, and once it's done, you can preview it by clicking the play button. Once you're happy with how it sounds, your voice is saved to your library and ready to use. Now, let's move on to the AI avatar tab at the top. Here, you select a photo of the person you want to create an AI avatar of, and below that, you can either choose from suggested intros or write a custom one yourself. For this demo, I'm going to pick one of the preset intros, then select English as the language and pick the voice clone we just created. Once that's all set, the avatar will be generated. Once the avatar is generated, click Use in Video Tour to apply it to an existing tour. Select one of your existing video tours. Once you're inside the video tour, click on Branding at the top. You'll see a toggle that says Add an Intro. Turn that on, and the AI avatar you just created will automatically be added as an intro to that video tour. Once you have the intro generated, you can also add the AI avatar to specific scenes and build a complete video tour with an AI agent that looks exactly like you and sounds exactly like you. That's what makes this so powerful. It's not a generic AI voice or a stock presenter, it's you in every listing without ever having to film yourself again. If you want to try it yourself, your first video is free at VideoTour.AI and the link is in the description.